Okay, so the first step for fixing this issue is to make sure you've got Inventor closed and Vault as well, and then run the command prompt. But run it as administrator. So in Windows 7, when you search for command prompt, it will come up with the option to run as administrator as a second or third option in the list. And in Windows 8, you just have to right click on the icon here and then say run as administrator. And you can confirm that you're in the administrator mode by looking at the title of the window here. So from there, you can copy and paste this command in here. Right, you can't use Control V, you have to right click and say paste, and it will return a list of URLs that have been reserved. You can right click here and say mark, start at the top, drag all the way to the right and come down to select just to highlight all of the rows that you need, and then hit enter. Okay, so just as a quick way to check whether or not you've got it, you can then paste that into a text file and then use Control Find to look for the 8000 value, and as you can see, it's not there. So this URL hasn't been reserved correctly. Now to fix that up, if you come back in here and select, depending on whether you're using a local machine account or whether you've got a domain account, copy and paste that value into here. So I've just I created a text file here, and I used I'm on a domain, so I've used this value here. Copy and then again paste it into here. You should get confirmation that the URL reservation has been successfully added. At that point, then you can run that same command again, and at the bottom of the list you should see the confirmation that the 8000 URL has been reserved. Now when you go into Inventor, the data mapping should work, which I'll show you in a second. But what I was doing wrong at this point was I wasn't running the command prompt as administrator. I was trying to use the run as command and using a run as an administrator account in here, and it just wasn't working properly. Okay, so let's have a look and see whether the reports work now correctly. Okay, so having loaded up this this little assembly here, and I'll log into my Vault. The data mapping button becomes available. I can select my template, and if it's a table or a detail, then you have to view it in a different window. So now the reports are working just fine. Anyway, I hope you find this workflow and video helpful, and thank you very much to Senthil Kumar at Autodesk for helping me out with this one here. I hope you have a good day. Cheers.